I'm happy that the technology of ANC is starting to become widespread, and never before have we seen such a spike in the industry for active noise cancellation earphones.
Best days passes by, and most long for a place that they never find. I'm afraid I wake up when I die, and it is too late to climb any mountain.
Today we have an opportunity to take a look at a new play in the ANC market and to see how does it stack up to an industry that is quite crowded with options. Welcome to a review of the Zendure ZenPods. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Zendure ZenPods. Zendure have reached out to me to have a first look and review their latest offering, which is the Zendure ZenPods ANC earbuds. As of this recording, the ZenPod is currently available on Indiegogo for purchase, so do check out the links below if you want to grab yourself one. Although Zendure has sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. So apart from the box design that you saw earlier, I believe the final copy of the earbuds should pretty much be final. But do take note that since these are crowdfunding projects, final specs may still vary a little bit. The ZenPods is a very beautiful looking earbuds, and you can get them in either this mirror blue finish, a black, or a white. I rarely see mirror finishes on earbuds, so this is definitely a welcoming change. The case of the earbuds is very solid in the hand and does feel pretty high quality in the hands. The feel of it is a little bit rubbery to some extent, but most of it is actually hard plastic. The top of the case you'll see the nice Zendure logo there, and at the back of the case itself you'll get a USB-C charging port, and apart from that, the case is pretty minimalist and there's nothing much of the case to clutter the appearance. Opening the lid, you'll notice that the Zendure comes with a very nice and solid friction lid. It does stay open without slamming shut on its own. Inside it's all very simple, and at the top of the lid here you'll see the ZenPods by Zendure. Pretty classy stuff there, and the earbud sits nice and snugly inside the case, and they're all held on by magnets. So taking the earbuds out of the case, you'll notice that the head of the earbuds is very similar to the AirPods Pro, and I think this is the type of styling that works because they are just so comfortable. The tip of the earbuds is big so it can squeeze all the technology inside, and the stem of the earbuds is nice and short with the same mirror finish you get from the case. Apart from the unique color design, these are your pretty standard AirPods alternative design. So the battery life is one of those things that might change when the final product is actually shipped, but as of now what we have is about 6 hours of continuous playback time, and the case gives you an additional 18 hours of extra playback time. The case will give you about 3 times charge cycle, and the case and the earbuds takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge. The Zendure ZenPods also provides you with pretty standard features for a 2020 earbuds and comes equipped with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset, which gives you pretty nice listening experience and connectivity. The earbuds are also rated to be IPX5 water resistant, which is sufficiently enough to get you through most of your day. So you can sweat in this earbud, you can get caught under the rain, and even working out in this earbud shouldn't be a problem for them. The ZenPods also supports a super seamless mono and stereo switching mode, and it works so flawlessly, so putting either side of the earbuds into the case doesn't pause the music, and by the time I pick the other side and put it back into my ears again, it's already paired up and synced up and ready to go, so really good execution there. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, however you can still connect them to multiple devices, but not at the same time. The ANC on the ZenPods is really quite impressive. I'm not sure what chipset or algorithm that they use, but after you get a good seal in your ears, the ANC kicks in and takes away a lot of your environment. Zendure claims a very humble 28 decibels of reduction, but I do feel that it does a really good job here, fairly close to the performance of the AirPods Pro. The Zendure uses a standard ANC technology here, no fancy hybrid ANC or whatnot, but the result of it is simply fantastic. So if the AirPods Pro cuts out about 80% of ambient noise, and if you use the right ear tips, the ZenPods actually manages to cut off about 80% of ambient noise from my test, and it even substantially reduces speech and chatter. You can still hear them, but significantly softer. The ZenPods also provides you with pretty good transparency mode with very slight amplification of audio, not unnaturally loud, but sufficiently loud to help you better hear your environment. If you like overall good sounding earbuds, the ZenPods is definitely the earbuds for you. Although the earbuds are shaped like the AirPods Pro, it doesn't at all sound like the AirPods Pro. The bass on these earbuds are really aggressive, and if you listen to it loud, the bass literally blows you away. Definitely nothing zen about that, but definitely in a good way. But the aggressiveness of the bass doesn't at all take away the mids and the highs, and the overall earbuds are tuned really nicely that the brilliance of the mids and highs still comes through really nicely. Soundstage is not the widest, but that's common from earbuds like that. But for an AirPods Pro style earbuds, it actually comes with a pretty decent 13mm dynamic driver, so definitely good stuff there. The call quality of the Zen Pros is also very good. The voice comes through very clearly, and using these earbuds for phone calls in quiet environments is superb, and also does work well in noisy environments. The background noise actually gets suppressed quite a bit, and your voice definitely takes center stage here. So let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds.
So this is a test to see if the Zendure is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So now I'm speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from this earbud. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below.
So because of the Bluetooth 5.0, using the ZenPods for movies on YouTube or Netflix is very enjoyable with no noticeable lag. Playing game in this case is not the best. You'll still notice a very small lag, but compared to many earbuds out there, these are actually pretty good. So let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. The Zendure also provides you with decent control schemes, with the exception of physically controlling your volume. However, because you can call out your assistant, you can actually change your volume there. To play or pause music or pick up phone calls, simply tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media, like so. And to skip tracks forward, simply double tap on the right earbuds, and to skip tracks backwards, simply double tap on the left earbuds. To toggle between the different ANC modes, simply tap and hold for 3 seconds on your right earbuds, and you will toggle between ANC on, transparency mode, as well as ANC off. To call your assistant, simply tap 3 times on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant, and this is where you can tell your assistant to set your volume level for you. All in all, if you don't mind using your assistant to control your volume, this is actually quite a comprehensive earbuds. Overall, if you want an ANC earbuds that just works, this is actually a pretty good option. It looks beautiful, the ANC is great, and the sound quality is also fantastic. All in all, a really good all-rounder earbuds. So that is it for my review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.